Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. Today's video is something you'll need to know if you're thinking about buying vacant land that could save you tens of thousands of dollars. What happened was I came to our property in the desert to check on it and noticed that our power pole was completely gone. Sometime in the past 3 weeks, the pole had been disconnected and completely removed. One of the reasons we had bought the property was because it already had a power pole, saving us thousands if we ever wanted to run electricity to our property. And now it had been removed from our property without our knowledge or consent. We called the power company to ask if they had removed it, and yes, they had, along with several other poles downline from ours. When asked why, they stated that the poles were due for maintenance, and because they had not been used for so long, they were removed to save ratepayers the costs of maintenance. We were lucky in that we were still adjacent to a neighbor's pole that we could use if necessary. But everyone downline from us was out of luck. If they ever wanted to run power to their property, they would have to pay not only for the power on their property, but for running poles to their property. Needless to say, this could cost them tens of thousands of dollars that would otherwise be unnecessary. So, if you have bought or are considering buying vacant land and there are power poles nearby, contact the power company and find out the maintenance schedule. This can ensure that the poles are not removed without your knowledge or consent. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you found the information in this video helpful. Leave us a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you'd like to know more about our adventures buying vacant land in the desert. See you soon!